There's a woman who lives in a period home, a stone's throw from Big Ben. How I wish I could give you a clue who I mean. You'd be wrong if you said number 10. Respect for our friendship forbids me to name her. I'll just say she sits on a throne. And if she ever gets fed up, I really don't blame her. For just like me, in almost every feature, I agree with this courageous little creature. We can't call our lives our own, for it's life in a goldfish bowl. For people like me and the Queen, we can't go anywhere, even for a stroll, without having to wave and to smile and be seen. I adore superstardom, a tete-a-tete with Roger Vardam, a rendezvous with Margaret Trudeau. And if I slip into something showy, for a little lunch with David Bowie, there are Nikons wherever I go. Oh, fame takes a terrible toll when you live in a goldfish bowl. You know, I'm always embarrassed when you link me with her, so close to the Queen's Jubilee. Yet in many respects we both cause the same stir, although Norm Hartnell doesn't dress me. There are other big stars who you always compare with me: Ethel Merman, Barbara Cartland, Michael York. And there's a problem that all of the superstars share with me. From Bianca Jagger going down to Lord Olivia, none of them dares do anything faintly intimate with Nivea without being watched like a hawk. For it's life in a goldfish bowl. Reporters won't leave me alone. I can't go to the ladies or sneak into the men's without sitting on somebody's wide-angle lens. Oh, how I'd love a life informal, with my Norm restored to normal, and my family there at my feet. Yet though I've sorely missed him, Norm's life support system wouldn't fit in my Dorchester suite. So it's backgammon with David's soul, and Dame Fortune won't let me swim free. I'm a bird in a quite absurd gilded cage, a girl in a whirl on the social page, and I'm having a ball being all the rage, with my looks and my voice and a brand new Rolls Royce and a choice of young escorts almost half my age. No wonder I rather agree, it's the life in a goldfish bowl. For me, for me, oh, for me, oh, for me. Whatever may befall, no matter what the future brings, I don't think I'll forget the night we burnt my mother's things. Outside the night was chilly, but inside the fire shone bright, as my mother's long and frilly underwear was set alight. My mother always lived with us. We never had a boarder, and you know, she was something of a character and more than something of a hoarder. She never let us in her room, so we never really knew that it looked just like an Oxfam shop and smelt like Whipsnade Zoo. One night Mummy was extra naughty, simply everything was wet. So reluctantly I carried out an oft-repeated threat. A twilight home stood hard at hand, oh, a hygienic, well-run spot, where unbeknownst to Mother we'd long reserved her cot. A quick phone call and nice men were there to bundle her away, but when they got inside her bedroom it seemed they didn't want to stay. They frog-marched Mother to their van as though their feet had wings, crying, "We'll take your mum, but bugger us, you can keep her things." Wasn't that unnecessary? How uncalled for. In front of a senior citizen too. I was disgusted. That evening was the first time that I'd stepped into her room. I felt like Lord Carnarvon piercing Tutankhamun's tomb. This is a family record. I can't say what I beheld. My knees, they shook, my senses reeled, my gorge within me welled. It was time for instant action. I cried, "Gather round, my loves." I said, "Kenny, fetch the paraffin," snapping on my rubber gloves. Meanwhile, Brucey lined the family hearth with 2 layers of asbestos, and daughter Val they lashed about with a flagon of domestos. Soon a fire had been constructed, and as soon as it was lit, we tossed our mother's bedspread that she took 10 years to knit. The flames flew up the chimney and sparks danced around like chaff. Then hot tears sprang into my eyes, and I couldn't help but laugh. Then hot tears sprang into my eyes, and I couldn't help but laugh. It's amazing what she crammed into those bulging drawers of hers. There are 100 shoes and woolies and a dozen molting furs, but she couldn't take them with her. Twilight homes are understaffed. The night we burnt my mother's things, oh how you would have laughed. The night we burnt my mother's things, oh how you would have laughed. My Norm came home from hospital and he helped with Bess and Vim. I don't think he'd forgotten that we'd done the same to him. And Kenny, my artistic son, stood by the bonfire's glow to make sure that we did not cremate a bit of Art Nouveau. Then in burst a policeman. He said, "Hello, hello. What's this I see above your house? A dirty great red glow. Why not bung them off to war on want, or in the Oxfam box?" I said, "What self-respecting refugee would wear my mother's frocks?" The moral of the story isn't very hard to find. It's often so essential to be cruel, to be kind. When your loved ones leave for twilight homes, it's no use to weep or moan. For if you laugh at others' troubles, it would help you be your own. The night we burned my mother's It was simply hilarious. Tried to be average in everything I did. Oh, how I would long to be one of the throng, to be run of the mill and just ordinary. But the harder I tried, always something inside of me forced me to be at the top of the tree. And I'm sorry, I can't help what I've got. This talent's just a toy Dame Nature gave me. And I'm sorry to see sorry they were. And when I was young, we had only one car. Yet although we were poor, you must know it, I'm sure, that Australian poor are much fewer than you are. And yet how I strove to be someone who drove, who had dresses and gems and a Cadillac car. How little I knew that it all would come true, as it has done so far, now that I'm a superstar. But I'm sorry, but I care a lot for the common people's plight. I'm sorry, but you see my compassion is infinite. And I sometimes even wake up in the middle of the night, and I worry myself silly for a minute. But I'm caring and committed, unlike other great chanteuses. I'm a liberated girl, and I know that the menfolk have their uses. But I've still got all my drives, and I've still got all my juices. I'm sorry, my darlings, that I have. Oh yes, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. What a little fool I'd be if I pretended that I thought I knew all the answers. Oh, I'm sorrowful to say that I have seen the funny way that men look at me with strange and hungry glances. Je ne regrette, pardonnez-moi, je suis maison superstar. Je m'excuse, je vous demande, merci beaucoup. Yet though eligible garçons, like flies round honey swarm, you may wonder if I ever dream of filling in the form that will let them pull the plug out on my poor long-suffering mum. I'm sorry, mon chéri, wouldn't you if you were me? Don't cry for me, Australasia. Je very much regret I do. I'm sorry. I'm just a woman who loves other women. I'm funny that way. I just adore the caress of someone in a dress, a mini, a penny, or a negligee. The menfolk have their place. Without them, the human race would fizzle out and come to a sticky end. But when your world is in a muddle and you need someone to cuddle, a woman is a girl's best friend. I was a healthy young girl guide long before I was a bride, and walked down the aisle beside my husband. No, but please don't sneer and laugh when I say I just a woman who loves other women. There's nothing like a female friend. The little things we chat about, the way we chew the fat about, is something menfolk cannot comprehend. Perhaps you can't imagine a double bed with me, and imagine that we share at the end of a hectic day. But though her health is almost a write-off, I can stand her with the light off. I'm funny that way. She's just a woman who loves other women. She's funny that way. I suppose you could call that funny. She just adores the caress. Sticks and stones to break my bones. A mini, a penny, a negligee. If you've been having sleepless nights because your man demands his rights, do you think you might be going round the bend? Don't resort to alcohol as other women have. Gather up your Valium and throw them down the lamp. For there's something else on which you may depend. When your world is in a muddle and you crave a nice long cuddle, remember, a woman is a girl's best friend. Many people ask me my secret of success. Is it in the way I speak, or the lovely way I dress? Is it poise or personality? What elusive little facet? Let me help you put your finger on my single greatest asset. It's my niceness. I pride myself on my niceness. It's such a gift without price to be nice even when you feel blue. 'Cause I really care, and I've come here to share my wonderful, wonderful niceness with you. What is it that makes us different from the creatures in the zoo? It isn't brains or beauty. Animals have got those too. It cannot be intelligence. Just look at all those rats and mice. Ooh! But Dame Nature has blessed us alone with the gift of being nice. Niceness raises all of us above the common herd. So join me in this hymn of praise to my favourite four-letter word.
She's got niceness. Edna prides herself on her niceness. She's got a gift without price, and she's nice when other folks make a fuss, 'cause she really does care, and she's come here to share her wonderful, wonderful niceness with us. She's got
just a little thing called niceness. It's absolutely free, so it's a mystery why there's not a lot more nice folks just like me.
It's something we believe in when we go to church on Sunday.
Niceness is a deodorant and a spotless pair of undies. You may have lost your money and let alone black or tinted and have naught to eat but rice. But if you clean your teeth 3 times a day, the chances are you're nice.
And the world will be nice to you. Yes, the world will be nice to you. And wonderful, wonderful niceness.
We'll see you Hello, little fellow, snuggled in your pram. What has life got in store for you, little chap? Has Dame Nature planned for you something very grand for you? Are the good things of life going to drop into your damp little lap? Every mother wants a boy like Elton. Every girl deserves the very best. Every mother wants a boy like Elton to press against her breast. Well, he wouldn't have to play the piano or wear funny glasses when he comes to tea. But my heart just can't help melting to think that every boy like Elton would love to have a mother just like me. Baby, you're so pure and young. Oh, how I wish you'd sprung from my very own loins. Who wrote this? And to show that I care for you, here's a little prayer for you in which every mother proudly joins. Yes, every mother wants a boy like Elton. Every girl deserves the very best. Every mother wants a boy like Elton to press against her breast. Well, I wouldn't mind the adulation. I wouldn't hide when the There's a person I walked down the aisle with once upon a long time ago. Someone I can still share a tear and a smile with. Now the flush of our youth has ceased to glow. I'm not the easiest girl to get along with. It's amazing that we've never come to blows. But at least I found someone I'd come on strong with. So I'm lucky, I suppose, in the soulmates that I chose. My bridesmaid and I, together we try to share each other's load down life's weary road. My bridesmaid and I, Madge, Alsop and me, we hardly ever agree, and yet together we seem a two-woman team as close as can be. When I had the shingles, she had them as well. When I run a temperature, she's hot. Since my far-off wedding day, when she caught my bouquet, she catches everything I've got. People say that she's shy. Kenny claims that she's bi, 'cause we do everything together, my bridesmaid and I. Oops a daisy, isn't this divine? Oopity-doo-doo, oopity-doo-doo. When she goes to the bathroom, she leaves a path of devastation like D-Day. I don't mind her stubble all round the bath, but she throws her old braids in the B-Day. Oh, Madge, really? Woman. Yet, somehow she scrapes by. Darlings, don't ask me why. You see, we have this thing like Bob Hope and Bing. Since I was a bride, we've been Jekyll and Hyde, and we rub along together, my bridesmaid and I. Yes, we rub along together, my bridesmaid and I. Yeah. These old ears of mine don't miss very much. I hear the rumors envious folks spread. Just because my Norm and I don't kiss very much. I'm tied to my work, he's tied to his bed. But the darling isn't a human wreck to me, merely because he's had that prostatectomy. Oh, how I'd adore to have him with me on this trip. I'm even jealous of my husband's saline drip. I miss my Norm. I miss him appallingly. Sometimes I think I hear him calling me, faintly plaintive through the storm. And though I've traveled far since the world made me a superstar, a vital part of him is in a jar. But I still miss Norm. Oh, if only he was well enough to travel, I I'd rush him to my side, the darling pet. But my Norm belongs to science, and his miracle appliance wouldn't fit inside a jumbo jet. I miss my Norm. I miss him distressingly. Sometimes I dream he is caressing me, and his fingertips are warm, oh so warm. But in the moonlight's gleam, I wake and see 'twas but a foolish dream, just Madge fumbling for her Nivea cream, and not my Norm. We would sit in the back row of our local picture show. I always loved a Gable and Lombard one. My fingertips would stray to his Cadbury's milk tray, and the darling always saved me up a hard one. Oh, those were the days. I miss my Norm. I miss him appallingly. Sometimes I think I hear him calling me. Plaintive, plaintive through the storm. Who is that? Would you close that studio door? But I've travelled far since the world made me a superstar. My heart is always where my loved ones are, but I still miss Norm. Sometimes I think I see a handsome stranger beckon me. Is it fact or fantasy I may never discover?
I kiss your hand, madam, it matters little who I am, the red shadow of each lonely lady's lover. She misses Norm.
Yes, I miss him such a lot.
She misses him sporadically.
That gorgeous jacket must be hot.
Even tempted radically to let her hat ride the storm.
It must be warm in uniform.
But this love song isn't what it seems. Is it a sin to take a lover in your dreams? When we're apart, my lonely heart does that past dreams. I miss it. No.
Are you ready to start? Hallo?
Nee, Edna.
Darling?
Stop, het is kloten wat je doet.
What's that, darling?
Het is
What's he
kloten
saying,
wat je
Nick?
doet.
What's he saying, Nick? It's double Dutch as far as I'm concerned. I can't sing these words, sweetheart.
Nou, stop er maar, het is ontzettend kloten wat je doet.
All right, darling.
Teringzooi.
Oh. I feel an absolute idiot. I used to be a housewife dressing Crimsoline, but now I'm into the latest fashion scene. I've thrown away my punch coat and sold my pretty frocks. Edna's gonna tell you how she gets off the rocks. I'm an S&M lady, safety pin and razor blade. It's
Kloten.
Nick. We can't put this on my best-selling LP. We can. What's that crackling noise in my headphones? Oh, you. Oh, I feel such an idiot. Really, this will ruin my image. This song. I used to be a housewife dressed in Crimsoline, but now I'm into the latest fashion scene. I've thrown away my front coat and sold my pretty frocks. Edna's gonna tell you how to get to the rock. I'm an S&M lady, an S&M lady. A safety pins on the hemline. It's the new S&M line. If you wanna feel funky, let's all go marquee to Sadie, a safety pins, razor blade, just an S&M lady. Teach your husband a lesson, lesson tonight. He will see it not pretending when I catch him bending tonight. I can't go on, it's awful. I feel soiled singing this, darling. Stop it, boys, will you? Oh, control yourselves. Pull yourselves together. Oh, we'll win in Rome. I'm sorry, listeners. Yeah, I'm an S&M lady. A slightly marquee to Sadie. A safety pin, razor blade. Just an S&M lady. Teach your husband a lesson. Listen tonight. I feel like some flesh. Come here, match. S&M lady. S&M lady. S&M lady. S&M lady. S&M lady. I'll never be a family favourite after that.